Ads are all over the place, but Facebook sometimes manages to show you the right product at the right time. Wondering how to find an ad you clicked on weeks ago? Here's how to find recently viewed ads on Facebook. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find recently viewed ads on Facebook. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. The Facebook app on iPhone and Android has a separate section for your ad activity. Here, you can track all the sponsored posts that you've interacted with on your news feed. The steps for getting there are slightly different for both platforms. First, let's discuss how to find recently viewed ads on Facebook for Android. You'll find your recent ad activity in the Facebook menu. To get started, open the Facebook app for Android. Then, tap the hamburger menu button from the top toolbar. Choose the See More option. Now, tap the Recent Ad Activity button. From here, you'll be able to see a reverse chronological list of all the ads and sponsored posts you've interacted with. Tap an ad to open it in the browser. From the menu, you can also find the option to hide the ad in the future. You can tap the Save button to save an ad for later. You'll find all the saved ads in the Save tab. And that's it for Android version. Now we are going to discuss how to find recently viewed ads on Facebook for iPhone and iPad. The steps for viewing recently clicked ads on Facebook are different in the iPhone and iPad app. To get started, open the Facebook app for iPhone and iPad. Then, tap the three-line hamburger menu button found in the bottom right corner. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Settings and Privacy. Choose the Recent Ad Activity option from the expanded menu. You will see all the ads you've clicked on recently. Just tap an ad to open it in your browser. And that's it. If you guys found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.